Do you have to do that?
Hey.
Don't worry. I'm not running out. I'm innocent.
Ozul and Middleman. They were in the bush. I saw them. Same as you. I tried to fly up and look, but I lost them. If they're still there, and they have the converter, we should go get them.
I know things look bad for him, but I do believe he's changed. I mean, why? Why would he do this?
What does that matter? If we don't get the converter back, take it home to Solace, this whole thing will have been for nothing. Ferdy and Bailey will have died in vain.
Here's what I propose. We let Yves keep the money.
No way!
If he gives us back the converter.
If he refuses?
He must be made to talk. And then he'll be expelled. We have to vote on it. Yves must be here to see it.
You can't do this to him. You can't. I know my dad is a good man. And he's the best father anyone could have. And even if you can't see it, he loves every one of you and has done his best to get us this far. If you hurt him or throw him out, you have to do the same to me.
He's gone.
We have the solar converter and we're set to destroy it.
Really?
But we are concerned about the radius of the explosion.
Because we have no wish to be exploded.
Because we are yet to procure the children and the talisman.
Send me the converter. I will destroy it myself.
An excellent suggestion, if I may say so.
You took something of ours and we want it back.
Who's there?
A minor irritation. Deal with it.
What's happening?
Everything's under control. A small problem is being dealt with. I'm about to send the converter.
Talk to me! What's happening?
Everything's fine! Oscar!
Go, Boomer!
Give that back! After them!
How many times do I have to issue simple instructions?
What's going on? Where's the converter?
It's safe.
Where's Boomer?
He's around somewhere.
Yves, what's happened to the converter?
Come with me. It's safe.
It's here. They brought it back.
We got it back. But there's some conditions. 2 of them.
Okay.
First one, you can't chuck Yves out. He didn't take the converter. He fought those guys to get it back. I know, because I was there.
And your second condition?
Might need some more biscuits.
Take this. Buy as much food as you want. From now on, the solar converter needs to be kept under double watch.
Still no proof he didn't take it. Maybe he just changed his mind when he saw he was caught.
Yeah.
Don't worry. I'll keep an eye on him.
Whatever is the truth of it, at least I know someone's on my side. You okay, Mum?
Yeah, I'm fine. Garland, I know how Yves feels about me.
He's asked you to marry him.
No. Why would he? After I accused him like that and treated him so badly.
Well, you only did what you had to do. You're the leader.
The point is, even if he did ask me, I'm not sure that I'm ready yet.
You do doubt him?
No. No, I don't.
I try and imagine what the future will be when we reach Solace. With Mum and Eve together. Without Timon and Eden and Jewel. Especially Timon. I'll miss him nearly as much as I miss you.
And the little circus. They recovered the solar converter?
It wasn't our fault.
Silence! Come closer. Let me see you. You will not fail me.
No. I won't.